Let's discuss a few things for installation on the board. So there are two ways that this can be installed in most applications. It is a return to supply or supply to supply. It is the way we've worded it here. And then the return to return, or again, we could word it supply to return. So supply of the dehumidifier to the return of the unit, and the supply of the dehumidifier to the supply of the unit. For dehumidification performance, this is the superior mode that we've found. There's a couple things that we need to keep in mind. The system total static pressure needs to stay at 0.6 total static pressure or less before the dehumidifier is connected. If you're within that range, you can use this mode. They want about 6 feet on either configuration between where the dehumidifier pulls the air from and where it dumps it back into. And then in the supply to supply mode here, we need at least 24 inches for the air to mix before you begin branching off. This works really well with our setup because we have extended out where the supply runs come off of the unit. The advantage going with the alternative here with return to return, we do lose dehumidification performance, but we do increase the amount of air that can be pulled in for fresh air ventilation, and it also works in higher static conditions, though we do want to make sure that our return is not starved for air. A couple things to just run down again real quick to recap. Supply to supply is preferred for dehumidification performance, but static pressure must remain at 0.6 or less for total system static. There needs to be 6 feet between where the air is removed from the return and where it is reintroduced, and that's for both applications. And then supply to supply reduces the amount of condensate that's absorbed off of a wet coil, and that's part of what contributes to the increased performance. And then the dehumidifier must not be chained to the AC, at least in our region, the Southeast. In shoulder seasons or cooler days, we need that dehumidifier to run independently. So that's an overview of everything. My name is Joseph with Reliable Heating and Air. If you need any additional assistance or questions, please reach out to us.